This is Kalaghoda Art Festival, the most awaited festival each year in Mumbai. It's been held annually and is famous for its heritage walk, dance, music, theatre and workshops. But the most attractive part of the festival is its visual art. Lots of artists showcase their innovative visual art installation and mesmerize the audience. Anyone can witness this art festival for free. Lots of local artisans also set up their stalls. And you will get to see wide variety of art. You can even shop from them. This place has something for everyone. If you are an art lover, this one place will fill your creative appetite. This was Kalaghoda 2023. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch my next video. It's going to be colorful, holy, special art.